15. It is 29.872 miles from Fred's house to the beach. Fred and his family have driven 8.101 miles so far. Okay, so you're talking about that's how far it is to go to the beach from Fred's house. So it would be just like you. You're headed to the beach and it's that far. That's how many miles it is to the beach. If you've already driven those miles, then it's that simple. You've already driven it, so you don't have to drive it anymore. So now the question says, how many more miles do you need to drive before you get to the beach? So if you've already driven the 8.1 and it's going to take you 29.8, then you need to subtract those. Common sense tells you, and you do the same thing when you subtract as you do when you add digits with decimals. So you line them up, and the key for subtracting is you always put the big number on the top so that you can subtract. So in this case, it is a subtraction because they want to know how many miles are left over. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. Bring down your decimal. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then 2. Your answer is 21,771 miles. So let's look at the common sense of this. If you've driven 29 and you're taking away 8 because you've already driven it, so we know that it can't be higher than 29 because you've already driven quite a bit of miles. So then you're left with a 50-50 chance of getting it right.